Hello students, in previous video we have studied about different types of sets, empty set, singleton set, finite or infinite set. In this video we are going to study, or you can say we are going to solve some questions based on previous video. And in this video we can categorize the problems on the basis of type, or you can say on the basis of their definition. In type first, we are going to study about the problems in which we can find either given set is empty set or not. Means you can categorize this type first as set, given set is empty set or not. Empty set or not. Okay, non-empty set, you can say. Here is an example. You have to find which of the following sets are the empty set, and given example are here. X square equals to 3 equals to this system is given x square minus 3 equals to 0. Got it? And question is this: x is a rational number. As we know, this is the plus minus root 3, which is not a rational number, because root 3 is irrational number. Irrational number means there is no such rational x in this set. That's why which of the following sets are empty? First set is empty set. Question number 2, or you can say B part. X says that x is an even prime number. Even prime number. Do you know any prime number which is even? Yes, tell me. Yes, 2. 2 is a prime number and that is even also. That's why it is not an empty set. You can say it is a type of singleton set. Singleton set. Why? Because there is only one number, or you can say one even number which is prime. Okay. Next, x says that now it is given that x greater than 4 less than 5, then x belongs to natural number. There is any natural number in between 4 and 5? No. Means this is the example of you can say empty set. Means it is also example of empty set. It is example of empty set. It is not empty set. Got it? Now fourth part, x says that x square equals to 25 and x square equals to 25, then x equals to, you can say, plus minus 5, and the question is saying that x is an odd integer. Yes, x equals to 5 is an odd integer. That's why it is not empty set. Understand? These are the questions which are based on the type first. Understand? In type first, questions arises on which category? You have to find set is empty or non-empty. Yes or no? Now we are going to check the type 2. What is the type 2 problems arises? Now type 2 problems, or you can say you have to find type 2 problems which are based on either it is equal set or not. Let's do equal set. What is the meaning of equal sets? Two sets are said to be equal sets if, first point, their cardinal number are equal. Yes or no? Second point, all the elements are same. All elements are same. And third, you can say their position can be different. Understand? For an example, if A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to 3, 2, 1, these sets are said to be equal sets. Got it? What is the meaning of equal set? Understand? Now let's some questions which are based on the equal sets. Okay. Question is here. Sorry, not here. Question is here. Find the pair of equal sets from the following sets. First, A equals to 0. Example of singleton set you can see. And set B is such that x greater than 15 and less than 5. How it is possible? A number is greater than 15 and less than 5. Means B is nothing. There is no elements. And what is the C? The C is x such that x minus 5 equals to 0. Means you can say the set C is only 5. And D, what is the D? D is plus minus 5. You can say plus 5 and minus 5. And X, E set is the, what is the E set? X is an integral positive roots of this equation. Then we have to solve this equation. X square minus 2x minus 15. Factorize it. Means it gives me x minus 5 and x plus 3. Root will be x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 3. Yes or no? Check it. Yes. Means your set E will become minus 3 comma 5. Now which are the equal set? Find pair of equal sets. Pair of equal sets means the elements totally are equal. Means set C have a 5 as an element, and here E is not this. E is not this because this is saying that x is an integral positive roots, means the set E is only 5. That's why you can say in this example C is equals to E, because both are the singleton, they have only one element and the element is 5. Got it? The question is solved. Find the pair of equal sets from the following set, if any, giving regions are here. Got it? This is, you can see, a type second problems. Now we are going to check the type third problem. Type third problem based on finite and infinite types of sets. Okay. Here is the example of type third. State which of the following sets are finite and which are infinite. From the following set you have to find the finite and infinite sets. Got it? Let's check. State which of the following. Okay. Here first example is x belongs to integer, means you have to find the factorize this system, and the roots will be, if you factorize this, then what are the roots? They are x minus 2, x minus 3 equals to 0, means x equals to integer 2 comma 3, means the set A is equals to, you can say 2 comma 3. Okay. This is finite. Yes, cardinal number is 2. It is finite because NA equals to 2. Now question number 2. What question number 2 is second part, or you can say B. B is saying that x such that x belongs to integer, x square is even. X square is even. There are how many numbers in which x square is even? You can count it. No, it is uncountable. Means this is the type of infinite set. Infinite set. And here x square equals to 36. We can easily solve x equals to plus minus 6. Means your set C is represent minus 6 or 6. Again cardinal number is fixed. This is finite set. And in this x is greater than minus 10, and there are many numbers which are greater than minus 10. Means in this chapter basically we have studied following three types. Now we are going to solve some more questions which are based on this exercise, or you can say questions based on types of sets. Okay, which of the following are example of empty set? In this question you have to find the empty set. Got it? Now I am going to change the color only. This color is better, I think, and this. Okay, now which of the following is an example of empty set? You have to find the empty set. The set of all even natural numbers divisible by 5 means all even natural numbers, all even and natural numbers divisible by 5. Yes, there are so many numbers, means you can say 10 by 5, it is existing number, that's why it is not empty set. Part 2, set of all even prime number. Yes, we studied there is only 2 number which is even prime number, it is not empty. X is rational. Here x equals to plus minus root 2 which are irrational, means it is our answer. Means question number first answer will be 2, third, because there is no a rational number, because x is here plus minus root 2. And now fourth one, x is a natural number, x is less than. Yes, this will also answer, because it is possible. Is it possible that x is less than 8 and simultaneously it is greater than 12? How it is possible? That's why this is also our empty set. And x is a point common to any two parallel lines. If there are two parallel lines, then you can see if lines are not coincide, then you can see there is no common point, means this is also example of empty set. Means your answer will be, or empty set will be, here is the empty set, here is the empty set, and here is the empty set. Okay, now question number 2. Which of the following sets are finite and which are infinite? Okay, set of concentric circles. Yes, set of concentric circles means circle, then circle, then circle. Okay, do proper drawing, then circle. It is the infinite set, means the concentric circle is the set of infinite set. The set of letter of English alphabet, it is the finite set, and the natural number greater than 5, it is the infinite set, and the x less than 200 and x belongs to natural number, it is the finite set. X belongs to integer and x less than 5, it is infinite set. And in between 0 to 1 there are infinite many real number, that's why it is also infinite set. Got it? Now question number 3. Which of the following sets are equal sets? There is the A, 1, 2, 3 is given, and here is, you can factorize it, this is x minus 1 whole square, or you can say if you open it, this become this. That's why the solution of this is 1, means you can write set B is 1 comma 1, or you can say this is not possible to write 1 comma 1, that's why it is only 1. It is singleton set. Okay, because in the set even the roots are 2, but repetition is not allowed. Got it? And here 1, 2, 2, 3, basically it is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, because repetition is not allowed, means you can say this is equals to this. Okay, now this system you have to find the roots, or you can say solution of this equation. Put x equals to 1 is the solution. Yes, x equals to 1 is the solution. If we put the 1, then it is the 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 equals to 0. Then you have to find the other two roots also. Means x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. X equals to minus 1 is a factor, then we can divide minus 1, or you can say write down minus 1 in 3 much times. means x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. One factor is x minus 1, and we have to find the other two factors by many method. This method is you can say factorization method. तो यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर आ जाएगा, तो इससे हमने एक्स क्यूब को कंपेयर कर लिया, तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स, एंड देन लास्ट टर्म it is the minus 6, then plus 6x minus 6. Now it is x square. Now how many x square? 6. 1 is here, minus 5 x. Now minus 5 x square plus 5x. Now compare it, means equate it, then it will become our given equation. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. Means the other factor are one factor is x minus 1 and other factor are x square minus 5x plus 6. Then further we can factorize it. Further we can factorize this, then it is the x minus 1 and it is x minus 2, x minus 3. Yes or no? Means in the questions there is x equals to 1, 2, 3 here. Question number 3rd. Means in this case this set D, this also represent x equals to 1, 2, 3. The set D, you can say the set D is 1, 2, 3 by this calculation. Yes or no? Means it is 1, 2, 3 set, it is 1, 2, 3 set, and this is 1, 2, 3. Your answer is A equals to C equals to D. This is our answer. Got it? This is question number 4. Okay, now after the question number 4, we can erase this system and yes, let it done. We can erase it now. Further erase this also. Okay, you can check it. Now we are going to solve the question number 4. About the question number 4, what is the question? Now check it. The question is this. Yes, here. Which of the following are equal sets? And sets are given. X is a letter in the word reap. Then the A is equals to REAP. Okay. And the paper, set B equals to paper is PAER. Okay. Then rope is ROPE. It is common that REAP, A equals to B. They equal. Question number 5. From the sets given below, pair the equivalent set. As we know, what is the meaning of equivalent set? Only cardinal number are equal. Means set A equals to set C and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means A is equivalent to C and B is equivalent to D. Okay. Now question number 6. Are the following pair set equal sets? Okay, it is the 2, 3 and factor of this equation means x square plus 5x plus 6. Factorize it, then the solution is given by this. It is set B is equal to minus 2, 3, which is not equal. And second part is there is a wolf means WLF and FOWL. This is equal. Means question number 6 answer is second option is correct. Now question number 7. We are going to solve question number 7. Okay, take it out. From the following set given below, select the equal sets and equivalent set. Okay. Now A is equivalent to E is equivalent to H, because the cardinal number in A, E, H are 2, and just like B and D and G, B, D, G, they are the equivalent set. For the equal case, we can say that P is equal to D, because 1, 2, 3, 4 means that B is equal to D, and I think no other set. Okay, if the following sets are equal, among the following we have to find the equal set, and the value of this is natural number, that's why 1, 2. 1, 2 is equals to 1, 2. 1, 2 is equals to 1, 2. X is an odd less than 5 means 1, 3. 1, 3. Okay, this is means in this A is equals to B is equals to E, and B sorry, not B, means C is equal to D is equal to F. Got it? I think it is so easy. Spell cataract and the letter of the word tract are equal, because it is the C 1 times, A 1 times, T 1 times, R 1 times, and here also T 1 times, R 1 times, A 1 times, C, means question number 9 is also so easy. Okay.